We are back with another oats video. This time I'm meal prepping my breakfast from Monday through Friday, and here you'll see me putting oats. I'm putting my textured pea protein, I'm putting in some chia seeds, some flax seeds, and some creatine. Now you can see that I've used 5 jars and I'm putting them onto my weight scale just so that I know every day I'm having pretty much the same thing. For me, this is a matter of texture and a matter of making sure that I have enough oats in each jar. I've also put some Truvia for a little bit of sweetness. And you'll see in my meal planning video that's going to come out, I'm planning on using some chocolate milk for the liquid that I'm going to use for it. And I've sped it up to show you the actual process, how I line everything up, and how I don't make it so complicated. I just put everything that I need all together and I go jar by jar. I know how much of each item I need, so, and see, you see me taking some out because I'm like, whoa, that was a heavy pour right there. And so I'm almost done. That's really one of the reasons why I love to make overnight oats so much, because it's so simple. You just do it in about 10 minutes, not even, about 5-10 minutes. You'll have breakfast for the whole week, and that's one other thing on your list that you don't have to worry about. You just grab the jar, throw it in your bag, and go. I really love this combination of chia seeds and flax seeds. I grind the chia seeds because that's what you do with chia seeds. You grind them to make sure that you're getting all of these omega-3s and everything that's in them. The chia seeds, you don't really have to grind them. You can just use them as is and they soak up all the moisture. All right, and that's my jars done. I'm ready to go for the week.